Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit any video, make it as a YouTube short or TikTok short. As you can see this video here, this is the wrong format. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to transform this video, make it a short format. Okay. So I'm using Filmora 12, but it should be the same for all the Filmora. So from here, you just need to come on this screen, as you can see here. Click here. You click change project aspect ratio. Okay. From here, you click, you got widescreen by default, you got Instagram, you got portrait, standard. So this is what we are looking for. 916. Okay. From here, if you want, you can change the resolution. By default, I leave it like this. Okay. So if you want, you can lock this setting every time you open Filmora, every time you want to edit a video, it's gonna be on portrait. But I don't want to lock it. I'm gonna leave it like this. Frame rate, leave it by default. But if your video got, let's say 50, the frame rate is 50, you can change it. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to find out. It's the video. I'm gonna show you how to see the frame rate of this video. Right click on it, come to property, come to detail. Okay, and it's the frame rate of this video, 25. Rate it okay from here. I'm gonna click OK. As you can see already, okay, the video has changed. Okay, the next thing you can do is to right click on this video, come to crop and zoom, and you come to ratio also, you choose 916. From here you can move where exactly you want it to be. I'm gonna leave it here like this. I'm gonna click apply, and we are done. Now we can even export it and see. Export, you can call it short. Do not change nothing here as we've done it already. Click export. And I'll wait until it's finished. It's done. I'm gonna open it. As you can see here, very simple. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.